Disinfecting hard-to-reach sections of rooms and large machines is a time-consuming process using traditional cleaning or sanitation methods. Instead of spending hours on wiping down such areas or equipment, use handheld UV sanitation lights to get the job done in a fraction of the time. This solution is not only faster, but also safer and more thorough in eliminating harmful viruses and bacteria from the site. For portable COVID-19 coronavirus sanitation, Larson Electronics offers the following handheld UV lights. A 27-inch UV sanitation light that offers no contact disinfection. Operates on 120-volt or 220-volt and comes with 50 feet of SOOW cord and a cord cap. This unit is equipped with a hook for hands-free mounting on poles, pipes, ladders, ropes, and small openings. A 14.5-inch UV sanitation lamp protected by a heavy-duty guard. This light is recommended for applications requiring a compact UV disinfection light. It offers full 360 degrees of sanitation and comes with a hook for hands-free use. This light operates on 120-volt or 220-volt and comes with 50 feet of SOOW cord and a cord cap. A cordless battery-powered UV disinfection lamp with rechargeable features. Designed for sanitizing remote areas without access to reliable power, such as outdoor locations, vehicles, temporary shelters, checkpoints, and more. To check out our complete selection of disinfection lights, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.